Number 19B, page number 4.76. Following is the receipts and payment account of Indian Sports Club for the year ended 31/12/2016. On the receipt side, balance brought down 10,000, subscription 52,000, entrance fee 5,000, tournament fund 26,000, sale of old newspaper 1,000, legacy 37,000. On the payment side, salary 15,000, billiard table 20,000, office expenses 6,000, tournament expenses 31,000, sports equipment 40,000, balance carried down 19,000. The other information says on 31st December 2016, subscription outstanding was 2,000, and on 31st December 2015, subscription outstanding was 3,000. This is of the previous one, that is rupees 2,000 is of the current year, and the next 3,000 is for the previous year. Salary outstanding on 31/12/2016 was 1,500. On 1/1/2016, or you may say 31st of December 2015, the club had building 75,000, furniture 18,000, 12% investments 30,000, and sports equipment 30,000. Depreciation charged on these items including purchase was 10%. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31/12/2016. But here I am also preparing the balance sheet. Now we will prepare the balance sheet of Messrs Indian Sports Club as on 31/12/2015. Capital fund, on the asset side, cash in hand is given 10,000. This has been obtained from the receipts and payment account, where it is shown as to balance brought down at the top of the receipt side. Subscription outstanding is 3,000, building 75,000, furniture 18,000, 12% investments 30,000, sports equipment 30,000. All these figures from outstanding subscription to sports equipment are being obtained from the additional information given in the question. Total comes to 1,66,000. On the liability side, nothing is there. Therefore, the balancing figure is your capital fund, 1,66,000. Now the income and expenditure account of Messrs Indian Sports Club for the year ending 31/3/2016. On the expenditure side, it is to salaries 15,000. We will add the outstanding salaries 1,500. Total comes to 16,500. To office expenses 6,000. To excess of tournament expenses over fund, it is 5,000. This figure has been obtained from the balance sheet, which we will tackle after some time. To depreciation, all the assets are to be depreciated at the rate of 10% per annum. Building 7,500, furniture 1,800, sports equipment 7,000, billiard table 2,000. Total comes to 18,300. This is the total depreciation for the year. On the income side, by subscription 52,000, less outstanding for 2015 3,000. Total comes to 49,000. Add outstanding for 2016 2,000. So total subscription due to be received is 51,000. By entrance fee 5,000. By sale of old newspaper 1,000. By accrued interest on investment 3,600. Total of the income side is 60,600. The expenditure side is short by rupees 14,800. This is the surplus, excess of income over expenditure. Now the balance sheet of Messrs Indian Sports Club as on 31/3/2016. Capital fund 1,66,000. Add surplus 14,800. Total comes to 1,80,800. Tournament fund is 26,000, and the expenses are 31,000, which will be deducted. There is a negative balance of 5,000. This is the excess of tournament expenses over tournament fund transfer to income and expenditure account. This has been shown in the income and expenditure account 5,000. Then legacies which are to be capitalized is 37,000 and salary outstanding is 1,500. On the asset side, building are given 75,000, less depreciation at the rate 10% per annum 7,500 is 67,500. Then furniture 18,000, less depreciation at the rate 10% per annum 1,800, it comes to rupees 16,200. Sports equipment 30,000 in the reception payment account. On the payment side, sports equipment are given for rupees 40,000. These are the new purchases, so the total comes to 70,000 and the depreciation at the rate 10% will be 7,000. Therefore the balance comes to 63,000. Billiards table is again given in the reception payment account. On the payment side, it is the purchase that has been made in the current year of the billiards table, which is an asset, 20,000, less depreciation at the rate 10% per annum 2,000. Its value remains to rupees 18,000. 12% investments 30,000. Add accrued interest 3,600. The investments are of 30,000 and the interest is 12% per annum. Therefore, the interest is 3,600. This is an hidden adjustment. It is not shown in the reception payment account, means it is accrued. It can either be added to the investments in the balance sheet or can be shown separately. So total comes to 33,600. Outstanding subscription 2,000, cash in hand 19,000. Total amount of the asset side is 2,19,300 and of the liability side 2,19,300.